the 5. Spread it out a little more with Cook in the backfield, and Hoover's going to throw toward Williams, and he caught it. Touchdown. I think Stanford wanted the push off. You see Sinclair arguing there, but no penalty flag, and Savion Williams with a monster first drive. Hoover under center. He's going to try to sneak it, and Hoover, to me, definitely got across. We haven't had a signal yet. Now we do. Touchdown TCU. And the first lead of the night for TCU.
Coach, you keep going to that hot hand.
Hoover airs it out to Nowell over the shoulder down to the 5-yard line. Hoover rifles it. That's caught. That's a touchdown for Chase Curtis.
Hoover looking left all the way for Williams. High points the ball. Williams, touchdown Horned Frogs. Unreal. Hoping to force a field goal try. Hoover protected. Hoover back to the air, and Williams with a twisting catch. Up high, twisting, he can do it all. Williams' second touchdown. Horned Frogs trying to go up 3 scores. Deep drop for Hoover, taking a deep shot. Hoover threads it in. Touchdown, Jack Bech.
Arkansas Razorback now checks in. He's got the longest run of the season for the Frogs at 20 yards. And there's picked out of the air, Jake Bech. Jack Bech to the house. And that is touchdown number 5, 35 yards, and Bech is one of the surprise. Looking that way, grown man catch. Jack Bech flexing on him. It's taken America a little while to get to know Jack Bech. They will know his name. In the 2024 ESPN 300 class, so a big-time recruit. Hoover stays alive. He's got McAllister. How did he get that off? How does McAllister stay up and keep cruising? Unreal. Hoover, McAllister. Do you believe it?
Chris Spielman wore one. Brian Cox. Hoover toward the end zone. Savion Williams with the touchdown. Cannot expect the referee to bail you out.
With pain and play hurt as a young buck.
Yeah, he's a leader. Fires to Bech. Breaks a tackle. Touchdown, TCU. And just like that, the Horned Frogs are right.
Playing a lot of snaps tonight for the Horned Frogs. In there again, Hoover throws deep left, and a perfect pass, and another catch for McAllister. Saw that shot of Kyle Whittingham. He wanted to look up at the big video board and figure out how they didn't get him to the ground. Now another great pass and a catch for a touchdown.
He's Dodgers series. Savion Williams wide open down the seam. He's got one on the ground. An angle, but no, he's got one in the air. Out of the shotgun on second down. Hoover with plenty of time. Lets it fly. It is caught. It's inside the 15. It is Jack Bech.
Out on your screen against a shorter defender.
Hoover again. Crossing pattern. End zone. Caught. Touchdown. It's a moot point now. It's Rogers, the tight end.
The game-winning drive to beat Stanford 34-27. The question is, can he do it again?
2nd and 5. Pressure up the gut. Looking for and finding a pair of 8s. It's McAllister picking him up, putting him down. Touchdown, TCU.
Great explosive game for the Horned Frogs. Fake the handoff, Cam Cook, wide open in the end zone. A one-handed touchdown catch. What a grab in the back of the end zone for Jordan Bailey. TCU hoping it's an inevitability. They sneak it again, and it's a touchdown for the Horned Frogs. By far their most dynamic player. Hoover down the middle, the strike to Bech, and they're an extra point away from tying this thing up. And they made that look very easy.
Wow. Five-man rush. Hoover lobs it up for Richardson. It's caught to the 15-yard line. Unless this is a quarterback run, this is going to be a pass. Hoover by himself. Looking in the direction of Williams. Touchdown, TCU.
However, into the wind that's coming out of the south. Hoover lets it fly down the field, making the catch, J.P. Richardson. He caught it at the 20-yard line. The ball was... Twist up front, pass down the field. Richardson hauls it in, and he is finally spun to the ground after a big passing. Hoover with plenty of time. Now he's flush from the pocket, throws on the run, and it's caught. Blake Nowell found a soft spot. He was wide open at the 43-yard line. That's a gain of 26.
6 of 7 on this opening drive. He'll keep it. He just tosses it to DJ Rogers, and TCU on the board first. And goal, J.P. Richardson in the backfield. Hoover under pressure. Throws to the end zone and caught. Touchdown, Eric McAllister. Wow. Struggled in the first half of the season, but won 3 straight, 5 of the last 6. There's a strike. Parker Clark